Seems to be opening something over here. Oh, I think maybe what we want to do now is drain it again. Actually. So then we can access the door beneath. Oh my god! Alright, that was not fair, come on. That was not fair, it surprised me out of nowhere. We're gonna get our revenge. We're gonna head back and get our revenge on those little suckers. We need to drain this place, unless I can sneak up on them and like kill them stealthily maybe? No, oh maybe actually. You know what? Let's wait until they come past.